Hi everyone, here we've got Alcatel One X, and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So actually all we have to do is simply tap on this 3 bars icon. It is in order to open recents, and as you can see here we've got all recently opened apps. In order to close only one of it, then simply swipe it to the right, or simply tap on this X button. But if you want to clean all of them, then simply tap on this big button right in the middle. Now we got back to our home page, so let's get back to the recents. And as you can see here, we've got no recent items, so it means that all running apps has been closed. So that's all. This is how to close running apps in your Alcatel One X. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.